as loud as you can without disturbing all the other classes. So here we go. One, two, three. Okay, guys, I'm at Shishavan School in Bombay, and the start of the vlog today is me talking about art as a career. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys after the presentation. Finished my HSC. So 2007, I spent a full year training myself. Six hours of college doing my BA, philosophy, political science, economics, all of these things. I switched to the arts, but I chose my subjects for painting. Right now, 6 hours of college. There's 24 hours in a day. That means I have 18 hours still left to sleep, food, and something else. So I sacrificed doing a lot of other things and spent 8 hours a day teaching myself art. That means reading, watching videos, going to museums, going to galleries, sitting with artists, watching them work, and painting. Drawing horrible things, painting horrible things. They look like something that you would have found at the bottom of a garbage pile because somebody's so embarrassed by it. But I never threw any of those things away. If you want to improve, you keep all those horrible things with you and look at them every single day and say, I can do better. And the students have left to eat because we're all very, very hungry, and I rambled on a bit too much. But this is Laya.
Hi.
And she has very kindly called me in to do this and given me the opportunity, and the kids have made me a little card as well. So I'm very happy. Are you happy?
Yes, thank you so much. I want to thank you because I think what you've shared in terms of your journey and your experience, I think it's really going to help the kids a lot. So thank you.
I'm so glad. This is one of the best parts of my job, is being able to talk to kids and give them hope that there is life in art, and to share all the experiences that I've had. So yay! Now I've had lunch and everything, and I was just at Artisans Art Gallery, where there is a show on of chromolithographs and oleographs, and I took a little bit of my own advice today from what I spoke to the students about, which was, if you don't ask, you don't get. And so I walked in, spoke to the gallery about what I do as a printmaker and stuff like that, and they said, do a workshop with us. So pretty much went in to look at art and got a workshop out of it. So I'm very happy. We've just about finished discussing everything, and the flyer will be up. So I will post a link to the Facebook event at the bottom of this vlog as well. We only have 20 seats, so if you're interested, make sure you sign up as soon as you can. We've got materials, everything being given to you guys, so you don't have to carry anything, and I will make sure that you take home some beautiful prints. For now though, I've got about an hour to kill before anyone turns up for the gallery hop, and so when they do, I will say hello to them with you guys. Guys, the gallery hop started, and we are at Targ right now, where we're at a show by Parag Tandel. He's got a lot of work that's been cast in resin from found objects. He's from the Koli community, and he basically wants to tell his stories of objects that are lost and found. This little piece, which is called Migrants, he recasts all of these found objects from resin and creates new objects from them, telling stories from his past and from his own memories and his life story, basically. So yeah, there's some beautiful works here. I mean, this one looks absolutely stunning, especially with the light that it's refracting and pulling through. So I'm going to take a look at the show and let you guys know what I think. Yeah. Privacy at Chatterjee and Lal. I'm sorry I didn't really speak much in there at all, rather. It's because I didn't want to disturb anyone while they're reading. The books are really interesting. The concept is that the artists have presented notebooks of theirs, published books, unpublished books, to kind of give you a look at their personalities and who they are and where they come from and things like that. So it was a very interesting show. I'm so glad we came. I'm definitely going to come back and sit and explore the books a little more closely. But for now, we're just waiting for the others to finish up, and we are going to be heading over to Sakshi and Lakiri. And then if we have some time, we'll go to Project 88.